Go on. Go on, quicker, quicker, quicker. That's it, come on. There we go, keep going. Right, go that side to side, 10 kicks. 1, go on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, 3 more. 8. Go on up, 9, 10. Right, 10 double kicks, okay? Let's go. You can have a rest.
10 double kicks?
Yeah, you just kick, as soon as it touches, kick it in, okay? Let's go, let's go. 1, 2, go on. Not double kicking, a single kick. Just as the first touch to the ground, you're going to kick, okay? Let's go. Right, 4 more, let's go. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more.
Now you got to do the left side now, Stewie. Here we are, Mr. Martial Arts Champion, Stuart Tidy, the dead Stuart Tidy. Have you enjoyed your session, Tidy boy?
No, it was torture. Fucking horrible.
Right, go lay down then, Dave.